Hi friends, today most important topic in Maths-2B, okay, integration by parts. This is 2 marks weightage problems and reduction formulas. This is 7 marks weightage, okay. The most important topic in integrations, integration by parts, okay. Let f of x and g of x are integrable functions, then the following functions f of x and g of x taken as the following condition is Eilert rule. We know the Eilert rule. Okay, first we have to see meaning. I means inverse function. And next one is L, logarithmic function. And next method is A, arithmetic. And next T is trigonometric function. Okay, and the last one is E, exponential function. Inverse function means, for example, sine inverse x, cos inverse x, and so on. Okay, and then logarithmic function. What are logarithmic functions? Log x, log y, log z, and so on. Okay, and then arithmetic functions x, y, z, and so on. And trigonometric function sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, and so on. Okay, and next exponential functions is e power x, a power x, and so on. These are the exponential functions. Okay, and then we have to take one example for integration by parts. Okay, this is the problem. Evaluate integral x e power x dx. How to solve using Eilert rule? Okay, Eilert rule. Okay, in this x is x and a arithmetic function. Okay, and next e means e power x means exponential function. In this first one is first term వచ్చిన arithmetic function exponential function arithmetic function. So we have to take f of x is equal to x. Okay, and next exponential ఏంటి g of x. G of x is equal to e power x. ఓకే, అండ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని మనం డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తాం, జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్కి డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయండి, డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డి బై డిఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ 1. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అప్లై చేయండి, ఇంటిగ్రల్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్. Okay, then integral e power x dx e power x. Okay, integral g of x dx is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది e power x. And next f dash of x is equal to 1. Okay, we know the formula integration by parts. Integration by parts. We know the formula. What is that? F of x g of x into dx is equal to f of x integral g of x dx minus integral f dash of x into integral g of x dx whole dx. Okay, whole dx plus c. Okay na? Next we have to substitute the f of x and g of x values. Integral f of x x. Okay, and g of x e power x. E power x dx is equal to f of x, substitute this formula, f of x x, and integral g of x dx means e power x. E power x minus integral f dash of x is 1. Okay, 1 into integral g of x dx is equal to ఏమొచ్చింది e power x into dx plus c. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ x into e power x minus integral e power x dx plus c. ఓకే, x into e power x minus integral e power x dx e power x plus c. ఓకేనా, e power x is common, then x minus 1 into plus c. ఓకేనా, this is the answer. Integral x into e power x dx is equal to e power x into x minus 1 plus c. Okay, this is the answer. Similarly, you have to try this formula, integral x into log x dx. Okay, for using integration by parts, Euler rule. Okay, Euler rule, x is index arithmetic function and a log x means logarithmic function. దీంట్లో ఏది ఫస్ట్ వచ్చింది, logarithmic function. Logarithmic function అంటే ఏంటి, log x. సో f of x is equal to log x and g of x is equal to x. ఓకే, f of x కి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. డిఫరెన్షియేట్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు x ఆన్ both side. d by dx of f of x f dash of x is equal to d by dx of log x 1 by x. Okay, then g of x came apply చేస్తున్నాం integrations. Integral g of x into dx is equal to integral x dx. That implies integral x dx, that implies ఏంటి, integral x dx x square by 2. ఓకేనా, and integration by parts. What is the formula of integration by parts? Integral f of x into g of x into dx is equal to f of x integral g of x into dx minus integral f dash of x into integral g of x dx whole dx plus c. Substitute this one, integral f of x. Okay, integral f of x means log x into g of x x into dx is equal to f of x means log x. Okay, log x integral g of x dx అంటే ఏమొచ్చింది మనకి, x square by 2 minus integral f dash of x 1 by x into integral g of x dx x square by 2 into dx plus c. x cancel. Okay, that implies log x into x square by 2 minus integral remaining ఏముంది ఇంకా x by 2 into dx plus c. Okay, so log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 constant కదా సైడ్ తీసేద్దాం, ఇంటిగ్రల్ x dx plus c. ఓకే, సో log x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral x dx ఏంటి, x square by 2 plus c. ఓకే, in this we have to common 1 by 2. okay, so x square 1 by 2 కామన్ తీద్దాం. సో ఇంకేముంటుంది, log x మైనస్ 1 by 2 plus c and x square by 2 into MLCM 2 log x minus 1 plus c. ఓకేనా, and x square by 4 into 2 log x minus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. For the reduction formulas, you have to see next video.